So right now I'm going to show you how to change the logo on your header navigation. And how to do that is you go to the backend right here at easy2ownland.myshopify.com/admin. You go over to this online store. Then you click on customize. Let's say you wanted to change this right here to whatever customized icon that you wanted to set it to. So first you have this sidebar to where you can customize things on your layout page. And in this case, we want to access the header. So we click on header. And it says logo image. And at this point, it's pretty self-explanatory. All you're going to do is take whatever image, take an image that you want to upload as the header, and you simply drag and drop like so. And then you click save up here in the upper right corner. Then the changes will be reflected on the live site. And also, if you ever wanted to go back, you can see the previous uploads that you have committed to in the past. And just to check, we're going to look at the live site. There you go.